Hey, smart buyers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, your one-stop shop for making those tough purchasing decisions a breeze. Today, we have a 3D printer showdown. In the left corner, we have the Sovol SV06. And in the right corner, the Creality Ender 3v3 SE. Who will reign supreme? Stick around to find out. Let's kick things off with the most important factor for many of us: price. The Sovol SV06 comes in at $249. Not too shabby, right? But wait, the Creality Ender 3v3 SE swoops in at $219. That's a $30 difference, folks. Enough to buy yourself a nice dinner or a mediocre pair of shoes. So if you're a penny pincher, Creality wins this round. Next up, let's talk speed and performance. The Sovol SV06 can boost its print speed from 50 mm per second to 150 mm per second with a firmware update. Pretty slick, right? But hold on to your hats because the Ender 3v3 SE zooms in at a whopping 250 mm per second. If you need your prints done faster than you can say 3D printing, Creality has got you covered. Just don't blink or you might miss it. Time to check out these beauties up close. The Sovol SV06 boasts a classic i3 structure, which is great for reducing wear and tear. Plus, it's modular, so you can assemble it in just 5 steps. It's like IKEA for tech nerds. On the flip side, the Ender 3v3 SE takes simplicity to a whole new level, needing only 3 steps to get started. It's almost too easy, like assembling a sandwich. Now, let's talk about what really makes these printers tick: the extruder and hot end. The Sovol SV06 comes with a self-developed all-metal direct drive extruder and a high-temp hot end that can go up to 300. Perfect for those exotic filaments. But Creality isn't slacking either. The Ender 3v3 SE features the Sprite Direct drive extruder, feeding PLA, PETG, and TPU like a champ. It's like the buffet of 3D printing. Alright, leveling your print bed can be a pain, but both these printers have got you covered. The Sovol SV06 uses a 25-point auto-leveling system to make sure your bed is flatter than a pancake. Meanwhile, the Ender 3v3 SE brings out the big guns with its CR touch sensor and strain sensor for auto-Z offset. It's like having a butler for your printer. No, Jeeves, I don't want to level the bed myself. Thank you very much. Let's not forget about the build plate and print size. The Sovol SV06 features a flexible PEI-coated build plate, making it easy to remove prints without any tools. It's like magic. With a print size of 220*220*250 mm, it's perfect for most household projects. But wait, the Ender 3v3 SE also comes with a sticky and flexible PC spring steel build plate and a similar build size. It's like they're twins separated at birth. Finally, let's talk about the noise level and customer support. The Sovol SV06 has a self-developed 32-bit silent board with TMC 2209 drivers, so it's quieter than a librarian on a coffee break. Plus, Sovol offers a 1-year warranty and lifetime technical support. On the other hand, the Ender 3v3 SE also has a 32-bit silent mainboard. And Creality offers a 12-month service for the printer and a 3-month service for parts. It's like a customer support showdown. When it comes to online reviews, the Sovol SV06 receives high praise for its speed, print quality, and ease of assembly, though some users had issues with customer service. On the flip side, the Creality Ender 3v3 SE is lauded for being beginner-friendly and easy to set up, although it has had some quality control issues. Overall, both printers have their strengths and weaknesses, making them solid choices depending on your needs. So there you have it, smart buyers. Both the Sovol SV06 and the Creality Ender 3v3 SE are fantastic choices, each with their own unique perks. Whether you're looking for speed, ease of use, or those extra fancy features, you can't go wrong with either. Let us know in the comments which one you'd pick and why. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, keep printing smart. Product links are in the description.